Super quick, Sherry. Can you change mine to salt pepper chicken?
Yeah, sure. Wait, no, you can't have salt and pepper.
Why? You see? You see? You're the only one who's saying no. But she said yes. What? What? What?
Then you can't have it.
Huh?
They won't give it to you. It's a Saturday. She doesn't know anything.
What?
They won't give it to you until weekend.
What?
No. Was that too quick for you, Hal? Too quick for you? Nice and easy next time.
Chicken. I think I'll just have chicken fried rice. I've had enough salt and pepper ribs for the past few days. So.
I'll give you chicken fried rice.
Yeah, instead of that. Yeah, chicken. Yeah. Chupa meu pau. Chupa meu pau. Suck me cook. Oh, you have? You have a dick? You have?
What?
You have a dick like this?
Oh, no.
Hey, Eddie, Fulham. Can you hide the bag, please? Can you hide his bag? He's gonna go somewhere when he takes his bag.
Não é você, vai tocar. Olha os bagos. Eu tô aqui com você. Não, mas é 10, cara. Ô, Taka. Have order or no have order? Who is in the front? Who is in the front? Have order here or don't have order? Pega aí, caralho. Tá aí, ó. No, because I don't know. I'm the first here. People taking my phone, right? People take advantage, my friend. My phone. People take advantage. I'm here. Vem. Ah, ele pode chorar. Não pode chorar. Se não tem hora, tem hora. Então, pô. Ele liga pra ir embora, moço. Ele fala que mas você quer ir embora? Não, he gonna take it to go home? He gonna take it to go home? Fine. Ah, é, então take. Não, go home now. Go home now? Oh, take it to go home pra mim.
It's 8:20.
De burro, foi isso que ele falou.
Não sabia. It's 8:20. What? You're gonna go home?
Não, don't worry, tá?
Oh yeah,
Vamos pra sair daqui, go.
the ticket.
Caralho. Ele me deu.
Where are you going? Can I see?
Ontem eu cheguei cedo, era 5 horas da tarde. 5 horas da tarde.
You said you're super quick shitty.
Eu fiquei aqui desde as 5.
So just so not they're arguing because of the order. Someone just took someone's order. Yes. Oh my days. Eddie. I don't understand anything, but I know you guys are arguing.
Tá fine. Beleza, mas não é certo. E por que tu não vai fazer mais ordem lá? Porque eu já
They're flipping arguing because of the order.
Eu não quero saber se ele dá 3 ordens pra mim, 2 ordens de dia, 1 hora. Eles fizeram o último. Esse aqui? Olha lá, esse aí. Tá vindo aí, ó. É logo, eu vou tirar a puta agora.
I don't really understand what they're talking, but by the action, you can tell that they're arguing in a way that it's fun and it's funny. I mean, working with these Brazilians is crazy, you know. Like, these guys have to be like one of the funniest people I've ever worked with. They talk too fast, like they argue, but it's funny how they argue. Anyway, guys, I'm nearly done at the work. It's 8:30, I guess. No, 8:25. An hour and a half left, and I'm done. So I'll see you guys when I'm finished. Peace.
Come back in, come in.
It's viado. It's like viado.
No, it's viado, yeah?
Viado is gay, right?
Yeah, it's viado. One day he texts me 3 o'clock in the morning, give me your postcode. I say, fuck off, bro. he texts me, you like us, and you're like, what? 3 o'clock in the morning, man. He said, can you have postcode? I say, fuck off, man.
What do you want? Olive oil, virgin oil, or what? Coconut oil?
The last day when you go say viado to him, okay? You say, last day you say viado.
You say, chupa mi pa.
You can say that?
Last night I said it, that's why I ran.
Yeah, I need some.
Man, these people are crazy.
Meu pau.
Chupa meu pau. I just keep recording. Jeez, what the hell, man? That guy, that's the only guy that's parked next to me, JP. So basically he bumped. I parked there first, he bumped into my side mirror. The side mirror is fitted like perfectly, so basically one mistake of moving this, it could break it. It's not the branded, but what I'm saying is that guy needs to chill, bruv. I didn't buy that mirror for me. Now basically I don't have a left side mirror. Luckily I have one. But then again, mate, if you're pissed with someone, take it to yourself, man. You need to be careful in your surroundings. Man, that just made the night worse. I said I was gonna what do you call this? I said I was gonna start vlogging after when I finish work. Well, I did start vlogging earlier, and because it was just funny, because they're arguing for some stupid thing and small things. But then again, why does it have to do this? What does my side mirror has to do with that? Mate, that guy needs to chill, man. Anyway guys, I'll see you when I get to the shop. I'll start filming. And that's the end of the shift, guys. And yeah, today I got so much free food that I have to, you know, and I still have the food from last night. This will be the end of the shift, so I'll be editing this in a bit as soon as I get home. Yeah, I spoke to that guy who hit my mirror. I said it can be fixed, but you know, no need to get angry to those stuff that, you know, it's pointless. Told him, I mean, man, I don't want anyone breaking my, what do you call this, my stuff. You know, everyone don't like it, you know. If I break it, it's okay, you know. But if I don't, then that's a different story. You break your own stuff so you don't get angry. But then again, you get this type of people who doesn't even say a thing. He was like, I didn't do the... Like, you didn't. Yeah, you didn't hit my bike. I said, you broke my mirror. It's not completely broken, but you still need to say sorry at least. Now, I mean, the screw's a bit loose. I could fix it. It's completely fine. As I told him, no need to get angry to those stuff, man. It's the what do you call this? Manager's decision. It's up to them. If they don't give you orders, they don't give you orders. If you get orders, you get orders. You know, it's have to be straight to the point. You have to be there. If you want to get more orders, you have to be inside the shop. So that's how they're what I call this. That's how others act there. You know, they don't want to do a lot of deliveries. You know, they stay outside because the kitchen's not gonna come out most of the time just to give you orders. You know, it's good because sometimes they do, but they won't always. Anyone who's inside, they get orders. You know. So if you're outside, or if the manager can't see you, you don't have an order, then they won't give you. So sorry about that, guys. That's a bit of a rant at work because one of the guys are angry about the things how it works there. You know. I will put a subtitle later about all the things that happened, and yeah. This is what happened, yeah. This is what happened to the shop earlier, why he was so angry, and that's it. Manage. So yeah, guys, that's basically what happened. He's just angry because are you not giving me any orders? I was here first. Why you don't give me orders? That's what he's saying. So yeah, no, just crybaby is hungry for money. Well, everybody's hungry for money, but that's a bit so much. Don't be hungry for money, man. Like, you know, I was getting told I can make more about doing this delivery. Yeah, I can make more, but some of the deliveries are in the dodgy areas. No, I don't want to risk my life going to dodgy areas. I don't want to go to like specific areas here in London because it's not safe. You know, who knows? They don't pick on anyone. They just get on everyone. Even an electric pedal assist bike, they try to steal it. Sometimes they even put it in their van. So you can't really trust people that much, especially here in abroad. You know. Because as I was saying, people are hungry for money. Humans are hungry for money. That's what I found out. Like, you can be hungry for money, but please, you have to be careful, man. Like, it's just getting stupider and stupider just because people want money and money and money. Who doesn't want money? But then again, who doesn't want to be safe, you know? It could be the next target of people who wants to steal, so yeah. Anyway guys, I'll see you when I get to the house. So, cheers! Guys, there won't be that much. Ciao, and edit the video and go to sleep. Early birds tomorrow. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this video. And don't forget to share. I hope I see you guys on the next vlog. Cheers! Peace out.